Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about choosing the right WordPress theme. I'm going to break down this video to two different segments because purchasing the right WordPress theme is a very crucial part of your web design, and I want to make sure I talk about all these features and cover everything. So I've divided this video to two segments. The first one is design related features, and don't forget to watch the next video, which is regarding to functionality features of a WordPress theme. So here we're going to talk about design regarded elements. First and foremost, you want to analyze the theme and read on and make sure it covers quite a few of these things, if not all of them. Various headers. That's related to location of the logo, navigation bar, slogan, social media buttons, etc. Let's go take a look at an example. I'm on Theme Forest website, so it's themeforest.net. It's one of the most famous theme sellers. I've opened a theme here called Avada, and I'm going to show you all these features here. If you click on this picture, it opens a preview of the theme itself. So this is what a theme looks like, and it has quite a lot of options and features, as I mentioned, so we're going to go over quite a few of them here. First item we talked about is the headers. So if you go here under header features, you see what they're offering. Under Avada, it says multiple header options, multiple header designs. Let's go down. We have this header with the logo here on the left and then the navigation bar here. The second option shows pretty much the same layout, but you have contact information here and social media buttons. We have a different color here. Now we have social media buttons on the top left and a slogan here and a search box. So there's tons of different ones, and that gives you a lot of flexibility to choose the right header for your website. Let's move on to the next item. You want to see if the theme you're purchasing comes with pre-built layouts. So if you have some pre-built page layout, you can actually make your web pages off them and modify them, and that accelerates your page design process. Let's go take a look at the pages they have here. Again, I'm on Avada website. I'm going to go to pages, and you see they offer tons of pre-built page samples. They have About Us page 1, 2, About Me, service pages 1, 2. They have, for instance, here they have contact page 1, contact page 2, and so forth. Let's take a look at a couple of them. For instance, I'm going to go to About Us page 1. There's a single picture here, but it actually contains a gallery, a text box with a header here on the right. We have a graph, accordion, and we have the picture of the staff with social media buttons and also some text boxes underneath, and a list of the clients. So this is a really nice page, very well put together. Don't forget, you can modify all these, meaning you can eliminate items, you can duplicate items, so you can make it the way you like it. Let's take a look at the other About Us page they have. Okay, it looks quite different. Now we have a kind of a slideshow here with thumbnails. Again, we have a graph here, a chart, and also a text box with a header. Again, the list of the staff. Social media icons are different here, and again, our happy client list. So there you go. This looks pretty good. Again, don't forget, you can modify all this. What else? Typography is super important. You want to make sure your website stands out and is different from everybody else's. For that reason, you need to change the font and make sure your website matches your brand. If you find a theme that has the capability of choosing different fonts and also supports Google fonts, that would be wonderful. Let's go here, take a look. I'm going to go to the Envato Market Theme Forest page of Avada because they have a lot of information here. And since I don't want to go through all this, I'm just going to search for the term fonts. I'm using PC, and this is Firefox. I'm going to press Control F, that means find. So it opens a search box here. If you're using Mac, you can press Command F. It does the same thing. Here I'm going to type fonts, and it gives me 7 matches. There you go. It says customized repeater fields that allow you unlimited custom fonts. Okay. Then we have custom fonts here again. I'm going to go down, scroll down, and under advanced typography options, we see they're mentioning here use Google fonts, standard fonts, or upload your own custom fonts. So this is basically, as they're mentioning here, they support unlimited fonts. It's a really good option. What else do we have? Color choices. It would be great if you can change the color of your web pages, and some websites allow you to do that by changing a pre-built color system, and some of them take it to another level and provide you with a color picker, which gives you access to hundreds if not thousands of colors. Let's see what we got here in Avada. I'm just going to go type the word picker, and yeah, they do actually offer this. So it says unlimited color options, and here also mentions beautiful color picker, which is integrated with all the colors and opacity for slideshows, sliders, etc. So that is that. Also custom backgrounds. If you like to change the background of your pages, you may want to pay attention to see if the theme you're purchasing offers custom background. Let's go take a look at here. Again, I'm going back to Avada theme on Theme Forest. So I'm typing custom backgrounds, and yes, they claim they have advanced background options, which allows you to upload your own background images. Okay, that's again a great feature. Some people have Retina screens these days on their computers, so you want to make sure the theme you're purchasing supports high resolution screens. For that reason, I'm going to come back here to themeforest.net again and type Retina here in the search box, and yeah, again it mentions that it's Retina Ready. There you go, Retina ultra high resolution graphics. So these are things that again you need to search on the theme page to make sure they support. The next item to look into is to ensure the website theme is fully responsive. Well, I'm going to come here and type responsive. I have no doubt this theme is fully responsive because most of the themes are. But this is not enough. I want to make sure you guys actually run a quick test to see if the theme is properly responsive. For that reason, I'm going to show you how to do that. Take a look at the page items. I have a logo here, navigation bar, a search box, slideshow here, and 2 columns. I'm going to make my browser smaller by dragging this the side of it. As soon as I do that, the navigation bar disappears, and now I have this drop-down navigation system. When I'm making the pages smaller, the slideshow is becoming smaller as well. And here, take a look at this bottom part. I have two columns, but when I make it a little bit smaller, that one jumps down. And this is the mobile version. So up to here, we had the pad version. This is for larger screen, and the smallest version for mobile. So they all look good, and this is how to check to see if a page is properly responsive or not. And last but not least, you want to make sure the theme you purchase allows you to modify the CSS file by using a custom CSS, which overwrites the main.css file, so you don't have to go modify the original file. Again, the theme Avada provides you with a custom CSS, but you want to make sure you conduct the research anytime you want to buy a theme, and go over all these items that we mentioned here. Please don't forget to watch the next video. We're going to discuss the functionality features of WordPress themes. Thank you for watching.